Hey everyone, in this video what we're going to do is we're going to figure out which functions satisfy the given functional equation using the separation of variables technique. Now let's begin by dividing both sides of our equation by f of x and multiplying both sides of our equation by dx. So on the left hand side the dx cancels and we just have d f of x divided by f of x, and on the right hand side the f of x cancels and we just have dx. Now what we want to do is integrate both sides of our equation, because that'll allow us to get rid of the d f of x and the dx and thus solve for f of x. So on the left hand side we have the natural logarithm of f of x, and on the right hand side we have x plus c, where the c is a constant of integration. Now what we want to do is solve for f of x. How do you think we could get rid of the natural logarithm on the left hand side? Well, what we could do is we could raise both sides to e, where e is the exponential function, because that would cancel with the natural logarithm on the left hand side. So if we do that, we have e raised to the natural logarithm of f of x, and that's just equal to f of x because e and the natural log cancel each other out. And on the right hand side we have e raised to x plus c, but using properties of the exponential function, we could rewrite e raised to x plus c as e raised to x multiplied by e raised to c, but e raised to c would just be another constant, right? So we get our final answer of capital C multiplied by e raised to x, where capital C is just a constant. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found that content useful. If you have any questions or problems you'd like to see get solved in future videos, let me know in the comment section below. I hope you have a great day.